We are going to be hitting the public cannabis side of life here with somebody you may have seen before. His name is Jesus Quintero. I'm going to bring him up and let him correct me on how to pronounce your name, but you are the CEO and chairman of Marijuana Company of America. You know, Javier has been working with me on name pronunciation, so I just want to see if I can do this. Jesus Quintero.
You did a great job.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Jesus, it's a pleasure to have you back. We had a wonderful conversation with you on Cannabis Hour a month or two ago, and you were the talk of the party. So I'm going to let you take it away, get started on your presentation. If we have time for questions, I'll be back on post.
Excellent. Thank you so much, and it's great to be back. We had great responses to our last presentation on the Benzinga conference, and it was great. And we have a lot to talk about. We've had a lot of exciting things happen to us over the past couple of months since then. Just kind of roll through that just quickly as we talk about our company. Basically, a lot of things have occurred. We've made some initial investments in the cannabis industry. Once again, for those of you who don't know who we are, we're Marijuana Company of America. We trade on the OTC markets under the symbol Mcoa. We're a diversified company with operations and investments throughout the cannabis industry. We basically, the core of our business is we grow a lot of premium CBD organic products, which we have different types, and we basically offer those products to our customers, and we've expanded our customer base. We've kind of changed the way we've been. We used to be a R&D company, which now we're a product marketing company, and we're really looking to diversify ourselves. We're a company with a mission, as we want to become an international leader in the cannabinoid industry. We're trying to grow our business organically as well as through acquisitions. What our goal is to grow as an organization and be able to provide high quality products and support to our customers and work as partners with our partners, our vendors, and we want to be able to expand. Basically, when we talk about Marijuana Company of America, the core of what we do is basically hemp smart, or not hemp smart, but hemp products. Our brand name is Hemp Smart, which we sell different types of products. And we believe, our philosophy is our brand is a brand you can trust. And Hemp Smart is a wholly owned subsidiary of MCOA, which sells all the CBD products. And a lot of products that we have drops, we have a brain pill that's patented, and we have pain creams, body lotions, and face creams. The key to our products is that we do something that many competitors don't do. We double test our products. We test the products at the organic level, the ingredient level, and we also test it after formulation. So we basically go through two processes. We invest a lot more because we want to make sure that our products are durable, that they're excellent, safe, and customer confidence is extremely important to us. And we've been able to really do that over the years. Now in 2021, we rebranded our products. We've come up with a new website. We developed a new e-commerce website for our customers so they can buy directly from the company. It's at hempsmart.com. We've rebranded, relabeled, and now what we're doing is we have a different philosophy. In addition to selling the products, we're trying to extend ourselves in the market to our customers. The pandemic has brought a lot of depression to people, and life is not as good as it used to be. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to do more than just sell the products. We want to offer the products which affects the lives of people, but in addition to that, we want to extend ourselves. So now we're working a lot with social media as a new marketing strategy. We're working with Instagram, Twitter, TikTok to offer customers social media interaction, so that not only do they have the products, but we send Twitters, we send messages out to let them know that they're not alone, to let the customers know that, hey, not only are we putting products in your hands, but we're also reaching out to let you know that we're with you. We want to be able to do that so that we can help grow our customer base, and not only grow it, but also really establish a bond between our customers, which, I consider MCOA, a diversified business, but by the same token, we consider ourselves a people business. We care about our customers. We care about anyone that works with us, be it vendors or strategic partners for that matter. So on this screen, as you can see, we have our products that we offer, which you can see we have the Smart Drops. We have the NeuroSmart, the patented brain pills. Our brain pill is patented, and it's one of the few in the industry that is patented. We're very proud of that particular product, and it does help with focus. And we want to be able to really expand that product across the globe. We have a smart cream. This is very effective. It's one of our more popular products, as it penetrates the skin and be able to provide less, to help you with pain and discomfort. And all these products are organic, and they're plant-based, and they try to help with anxiety, pain, and in some cases insomnia. And of course, our products do not have any THC. One of the more exciting news for us, which just occurred recently, is we made an acquisition of a company called Cdstro. Cdstro is one of the leaders in the hemp industry in terms of distribution. It works with a lot of distribution companies. It sells a lot of different types of CBD brand products. Their wholesaler base is about 250, and they work with C-stores and other retailers and dispensaries. This was a major acquisition for us because this is a company that's really growing. It's really on the move. They have great partner relationships, and they're really expanding. And the synergies between the two companies is enormous. We believe together as partners, we're going to make a really big hit as we try to expand on hemp products. That's the base of what we do. We do CBD, we do hemp products, and they are going to help us in those lines of achieving that goal. In addition to our acquisition, we continue to work with our strategic partners, companies that are kind of in line with what we do, and how together we can actually kind of have great synergies and partnerships that can actually expand businesses, not just for us, but also for them as they themselves start to grow and offer their products to the marketplace. One of our strategic partners is Cannabis Global. Cannabis Global is a Los Angeles-based company. It's a public company under the symbol CBGL, and they offer a lot of different products. Most of the products is basically within the area of science of cannabis, with IP, intellectual properties, and innovative R&D. And they've offered other types of products, such as a comply bag for cannabis storage, transport, and tracking, which is really going to be very revolutionary, and they're going to make a big difference. We work with them exclusively. Some of their products they offer, we incorporate in our product lines, and it's been a great partnership so far, and we see it growing even bigger. Eco Innovation Group is another company that's also trading on the OTC, and they work a lot with new investor technologies that can promote environmental and social well-being. We're extremely excited to work with them because they also offer product lines, and they offer unique opportunities for us to really expand our product base and opportunities to make a difference in the cannabis industry. Their technologies that they're offering and their inventions are going to be really, really exciting, and we're working with them diligently, and we're excited to move forward. Natural Plant Extract is a manufacturer and a distributor of a licensed cannabis manufacturing distributor in California. We have an investment in them, and we try to work with them strategically, and we're very excited. We just signed an agreement. We're leasing them equipment that they can use in their business, which will create revenues for us as well, which increases our revenue base to include now leasing opportunities, which is great for us as we continue to expand. One of the things that a lot of people have asked me the question, what's the difference between Mcoa and other type of CBD companies? What makes you any different from anybody else? One of the things that we want to be is, we want to be a leader in our industry. And one way to do that is not just to focus on the saturated markets, which we are involved in the saturated markets because we want to compete. We want to be out there because we have a lot of great products to offer. We have great business strategies. But in addition to that, what makes us really different is we want to expand and go where we can be market leaders. For example, we expanded now. We have a new joint venture now in Brazil, in São Paulo, with our business partner and one of our board members who's helping us expand into the country of Brazil, which is very exciting with the population there. And CBD is extremely popular. We're working through the distribution channels and making sure we're in compliance there. And we're very excited. We already have, without selling a product yet, but working through social media advertising, we already have over 2,200 followings in Brazil, and we've only been doing it for about 30 days. So we're very excited about that, and we really want to make a significant impact in that market. What's important is that CBD can really help and enhance the lives of people. And in Brazil, there's a big need. There are people that really need the product. In their history previously, CBD was actually considered illegal because of the way it was being processed. Some people were actually getting sick from it. Whereas here we come with a product that's double tested. We've actually given away products to people there through physicians, of course. And it's been a tremendous hit. The physicians are very excited as we work through them to offer it to their patients. And it's been fantastic for us, and it continues to grow. And we're looking to be really fully operationally there within the next 45 days. And by then we should be able to be in the market. We have people with boots on the ground already there. We're very excited. Another country we'll be expanding into is the country of Uruguay, where we want to be able to go into that market, which is very receptive to CBD. In addition to that, we're trying to strategize and see if we can put some of our manufacturing there, which would make our costs more effective for our products, which makes us more competitive. And that way we can offer our products to countries like Brazil and Uruguay at a normal local price instead of using US dollar rates. Obviously, with the economies of scale, people in those countries could not afford products at US price levels. But by being able to manufacture locally in one of the countries and being able to distribute it locally in Latin America, it's more cost effective, and it gives us the opportunity to sell our products and introduce ourselves. In Uruguay, like we said, we're already establishing a company, and we're working with our lawyers to establish ourselves in a free trade zone, which means we would literally have no sales or exportation taxes. We're very excited about that as we continue to try to penetrate those markets and become leaders in those markets. We have a new investor website, and as we launch our e-commerce platform, we're very excited about that as people now can see more of the company in terms of our investor site, as well as our HempSmart e-commerce site as well. One of the things we want to do as a cannabis leader is we really want to diversify ourselves. We want to be able to expand ourselves and create a very enhanced and exciting investor and sales experience. We want to be able to grow that. I think in the past we haven't been able to reach out to our investors like we'd like to. Now we are. We really want our investors to feel the experience of watching their investment grow and diversify itself. With all that said, here's a picture of our management team. We have a diversified group of people, very dedicated to being able to provide the highest quality products, customer service, and we really dedicate ourselves to what we do. We believe in what we do. Everyone that's here is a big part of our team. We're all together. We all really do whatever it takes to make sure that our customers, our business partners, our vendors are, working diligently and successfully with us. We really care about everyone that works with our team. Here you see our leadership team, which is basically my board of directors, which we're very proud of. We have a lot of great individuals with high profiles, with a lot of experience. Very exciting. One person that I'm always very excited about is Eddie Manolos. Mr. Edward Manolos was the first cannabis leader with the first dispensary in Los Angeles well over 30 years ago. And he's extremely successful, brings a lot of experience in sales, distribution, and we basically are very fortunate to have him as he continues to bring a lot of value to our board, as well as Marco Guerrero, who's our board member that runs Latin America and has brought us into Brazil. And we're looking to expand even more into Latin America with his help. And also on the other side, we have a lot of strategic partners. Robert Heimer, my strategic consultant, is extremely important in what we do. He's my right-hand person, you could say, and he brings a lot of diversification, a lot of experience. He's been very instrumental in helping us to our success. And of course, our medical advisor, Paula is, without a doubt, one of the most important persons we have in our company, as she is the catalyst and she reviews all of our products, formulations, ingredients to make sure we're organic and that we can grow in terms of being a real company that can offer products that really will make a difference in the lives of others. She's also involved with our research and development to develop new CBD products that can make a difference. And we're very excited to work with her. We work hand in hand. When her and I work, it's not about only dollars and cents. It's about making the difference, which is what CBD does as it affects the human body. And Tony Shore, who's a very instrumental party, he really works with me in my investor relations. He's a great, coach. He's a great guy. He really steers us in the right direction in terms of being able to effectively, responsibly communicate with our investors and let the investors know what we're doing, who we are, where we walk, how we walk. And he's very instrumental as well. Here's some information on our company. We're on the OTC markets under Mcoa. You can see our information by stock price, market cap, shares, etc. You can also see all of our financial information if you go to our website. We have information on our financials that have been recently filed. You can also go to sec.gov and you can see our 10Qs and 10Ks, which pretty much talks about everything that we've accomplished. And basically, that's Mcoa. Basically, who we are is, like I said, we're a diversified company. We used to be R&D. We're really trying to grow. We're really trying to be a real leader in the industry. And our goal is to reach out to our customers, increase and improve our customer base by being able to interact, offer great products. We've enhanced our investor website so that our investors can have a better view and understanding of who we are and to see how their investments will be driven to enhance and improve their stock prices and investments. Our goal is to improve what we do in terms of not just from a stock perspective. Our main goal is to focus on the core business, to be able to grow it organically and through acquisitions. And we will continue to do acquisitions as we go forward, where we find companies in the cannabis industry that may have distressed situations, and we can be able to step in to not just acquire them, but to actually enhance and improve what their situations are, to make them better than what they are, so they can reach their full potential. That is what we look for. We're looking to make Mcoa a real leader in this industry, not just by increasing sales, but also by working through strong partnerships so that we can develop and actually create a circular wheel of success. So all of us together as a team can work and grow and build and do great things that can make a difference out there in the lives of people, and also grow for our investors so they can see profitability and be able to see ourselves grow financially. So with that said, I'll leave myself open to questions.
Yeah, we do have a couple questions here for you, Jesus. Let's show this one. So do you plan to use an RS this fiscal year, and are you looking at an uplisting in any time in the near future? Whatever you can say there, of course.
Right now, as we work through 2021, and we're trying to, yes, we do want to uplist. We want to go back to the OTCQB. We're working to see how we can get there. Our asset base, as we increased, we were like almost, $500,000 in assets. Now we're about almost $4 million in assets. So we're really trying to grow that as we work through our operation and our new acquisitions and communicate to the market. Obviously, we've seen some interesting increases in our stock price based on the market's activity and fluctuations. Although we don't focus 100% on the stock market in terms of the pricing, I focus more on the core business, because if we do well operationally, the stock price will take care of itself, so to speak.
Fair enough.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I mean, fair enough. You're absolutely right. Successful operations will lead to rewards for sure.
Yeah, we try not to lose ourselves in the shuffle. I think it's important to we have a responsibility to our shareholders to really build a strong business, be able to grow it, and be successful with it.
Amen. Jesus, I love listening to you talk, man, and I love your approach to this industry. Much needed. We appreciate you being here. If they'd like to reach out, is there an email that they can send some questions to?
Yes, my email is jesus@hempsmart.com.
Fantastic.
Or the email here that's on the screen, you can see it, info@Mcoa Investments. I have a person that actually works with the questions and actually steers them to me so that I can answer.
Perfect. Awesome, Jesus. Very much appreciate you being here, sir, and looking forward to hearing more out of you and, just following your success, because that's what it's looking like right now.
Thank you so much, and it's great to be back, and I hope to be able to be back again.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll see you soon, Jesus. Be well.
Thank you. Take care.